Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla announced that next month, individuals involved in the anomalous flood control projects are expected to be charged. In a press conference on Tuesday afternoon, Remulla said they will file cases at the Sandigan Bayan in November. This is to hold accountable the individuals involved in billions worth of corruption in the country's flood control projects.
By November, didikdikin natin yan na lalong madaling panahon ay magkakaso na tayo na umaandar sa Sandigan Bayan o kaya sa RTC kung sino man ang mayroong jurisdiction dito.
Remulla previously said that the Sandigan Bayan is already drafting new rules to speed up the process of filing complaints related to the flood control projects. In line with this, Remulla also said that they will start the preliminary investigation on Thursday, October 23, into the complaints filed with the DOJ regarding the flood control anomalies. This also aims to accelerate the preliminary investigation process.
Ang preliminary investigation, maabot ang 1 year allowable under the rules dito. We will change it also. At ang gusto namin 60 days tapos ang PI. Issues immediately. At the rest will be history na lang.
This is to ensure the swift progress of the cases and to hold those involved in corruption accountable immediately.